Alrighty, here we go. So this is going to be a quick pose library tutorial. I got to the point where I started animating this guy, and I was like, fuck, man, these hands are taking way too fucking long, man, to do everything. So I started looking into the pose library. Not a lot of tutorials that will actually give you the plain, blatant truth about what to do and how to do it. So I just started fucking around with it, and guess what, man? It's actually quite easy, right? So here we go. All right, so the armature and everything's there already. You know what you're doing with that. So basically, pose libraries, right? So I want to do something different with this hand and make sure I could do it every time, right? So here we go. I'll select the whole hand, yeah, and select the bones that I need just to make a whatever pose, yeah. Here we go. Y, local Y. Yeah. Here we go. That ain't right. That ain't right. And that ain't right either. Okay. And that ain't right. There we go. That's better. Alright, so let's say we won't do this. Yes. Oop. There we go. So say I wanted this to be one of the hands that I will use most often. So what I do is go over here into this object data, whatever it is. Go into pose libraries. There's probably going to be already one there for you, but if not, just add new. Call this hands. I don't know, hand. Yeah, just hands. Yes. So there. Now, if you click on this plus button, add new, and then just name this straight away to, let's say, hand.r.finger flip. There we go. All right, so finger flip. Now, that's going to be there. If we go into, let's say, this hand, right? And then, yeah, I want to deselect this. Oh wait, deselect that, deselect this. And I just want, let's say, fist. Ah, some bitch, I keep on forgetting the goddamn thing. There we go, just the fist. Boom, right? Just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to select the whole hand, and boom, add new library, or pose, whatever you want to call it. Okay, now hand.l.fist. Boom. Okay, now if I just have this whole thing selected, Control C, Shift Control V, boom. That shit's going on the other hand. Yep. Okay, there we go. Now, I shall save this as a new one. So, hand.r.fist. Now, the beautiful part is coming into play slowly here with the pose libraries. So, I select the hand R finger flip. Yep. Here we go. If I just boom, it goes back to the finger, right? Boom. Okay, so if I Control C, Shift Control V, transfer everything to this hand. Select this hand, all the bones there, in pose mode. Add new. Well, there we go. Just to be lazy, Control copy. L. Right. So, let's go into animation mode here. So I'll just select, well, let's just say this whole hand, right? And I insert Lockrot scale, right? Okay, go to frame 50. Yeah, go this way and this way. And then I want to rotate it a little bit. No. Like that, and go like that. Alrighty. That's that. Lockrot scale. Okay. And then if I wanted to go, well, there we go. Just do this one. Okay, get the initial position locked in there. Go to frame 50 again. And I want this to go in the same rough direction, right? And same way. GX. Right. And then just, no, actually I like that way better. Okay. No, not that way. No, let's just say like that. Right. And we'll just have it here. Okay. Right. But this hand, I want it to be the fist. So I'm in my library here. So left hand, hand L fist. Boom. It goes back to that spot, right? No problem. No problem. No problem. All right. Control Z, undo that. All you got to do once you position this arm in the place that you want it to be is unselect this bone, because this bone drives all these other bones, right? And now click hand L fist. Boom. That motherfucker's fisting you. Right. Boom. Lockrot scale. Let's see what we got. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hold on. That didn't work quite right. Hold on. The left hand didn't move. The left hand didn't move up. Oh, wait. Oh, you know what? You know why? Okay. Boom. After you did the hand fist thing there, yeah? Select this motherfucker again. That's why it didn't fucking happen. Boom. Now, if we go, boom. Ha. Yes. Okay. Fun stuff. Enjoy.